So hair thinning can happen because of a lot of factors like inflammation or oxidative stress on the hair. So these can happen because of not only environmental factors but also internal factors. Retensil is one ingredient that combats all of these, and it actually helps in promoting hair growth. So what are the benefits of Retensil? So it not only activates the dormant hair follicles, it also nourishes the scalp, it improves the density of the hair, it improves shedding, and it protects the hair from environmental damage. So are there any side effects of Retensil? Because this ingredient has been tested extensively in clinical trials, and also it is a natural ingredient made from botanicals, it's fairly safe to be used in both males and females of adult age group. But it's always better to start with a clinical consultation with a physician who can recommend if this ingredient is meant for you, depending on the kind of hair loss that you're facing. So how is Retensil different from minoxidil? Let's talk about differences between these two ingredients. So minoxidil works on vasodilation. So it means that it improves the blood flow to the hair follicle, and because there's better blood flow, the hair starts to grow thicker. Now Retensil works on the, like I said, it's on the metabolism of the stem cells in the root sheath. Now let me talk about the effectiveness of Retensil versus minoxidil. So Retensil, because it is a natural compound, we've seen that generally in most of the people, the hair quality becomes thicker and the hair becomes much more better. So Retensil works on energizing the hair root. So it not only stimulates the hair follicle, it improves the nourishment to the hair. Now how does minoxidil work? Minoxidil works on the sulfotransferase activity of the hair follicle. It vasodilates, so it means that it's improving the blood circulation. In certain people, this receptor is not present. The person lacks sulfotransferase activity. Minoxidil may not be effective in a lot of people. Now let's talk about the treatment duration of Retensil versus minoxidil. So Retensil has to be used for a couple of months to actually see a good result. Minoxidil, on the other hand, can generate very quick results that can start showing within 2 to 3 weeks. But it is a lifelong treatment. As long as you use this product, you will see the hair is better and thicker. But as soon as you leave minoxidil, you might see an increased hair loss. These kind of side effects, they don't happen in Retensil. Because it is a hair nourisher, it can safely be used for long periods of time, might take longer to show results. So because Retensil works on nourishing the hair follicle, there isn't an excessive hair loss that is seen after starting Retensil. Whereas this is not the case with minoxidil. Sometimes when we start minoxidil, you can see an increased hair loss, and that is transient. That happens because the hair actually is stimulated to move into growth phase. So when the hair is rapidly moved into a shedding to a growth phase, there is a transient shedding that happens with minoxidil. So let me talk a little bit of the advantage of Retensil versus minoxidil. So because Retensil tends to energize the hair follicle, it provides nourishment to the hair, so it is a supportive treatment. It might take longer to see results with it, but it is a natural and a long-lasting and sustainable treatment option. Whereas with minoxidil, we've seen initially there can be improved hair growth, and that happens in 2 to 3 weeks, but there's also an increased shedding that can happen. How minoxidil works is by moving the hair into a growth phase or the anagen phase. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always contact us by commenting in the comment section, and we will always get back to you.